Images can completely change the quality of a presentation. They make slides look more professional, easier to understand, and far more engaging for viewers. And with Gamma AI, adding images to your slides is actually very simple. So in this guide, I'll show you how to add images in Gamma AI slides step by step. First, open the Gamma AI website in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you enter the dashboard, open an existing presentation or create a new one. Now select the slide where you want to insert an image. Look for the Add button, Media section, or Image option inside the editing tools. So this is where you can upload or insert visuals into your slides. Now upload an image from your computer or device. You can use screenshots, photos, graphics, logos, charts, or presentation visuals. Some versions of Gamma AI also allow you to search for stock images or generate visuals directly using AI tools. After adding the image, resize and reposition it so the slide looks clean and balanced. Yeah, image placement makes a huge difference in presentation quality. One common mistake is adding too many visuals to one slide, so try to keep the layout simple and easy to understand. And that's your full guide on how to add images in Gamma AI slides. Hopefully now you have a clear understanding of how to improve presentations visually using images and media elements.